Things to do in summer vacation. All the children love summer vacation. But after just a few days of being home, are you already complaining of boredom? Besides working on the holiday assignments, there are many things for you to do in the summer vacation. Go to swim. No matter go to swimming pool or go to the beach, swimming is a great way for you to cool off in summertime while also getting exercise. Ride the bikes. Pick a time when it's not too hot outside.
Make sure you always wearing your protection before you go out for play.
Explore a local park with the family. A park is the perfect spot to spend time in nature. Explore a local park with the family. Go to the library. Libraries are an excellent place for you to spend time during the holiday. Not only enjoying a wide selection of books, but libraries also offer many activities and programs in different categories. Visit a museum. Museum is an excellent place for interactive learning. They designed to captivate a younger audience, often offer summer deals or camps for children. Visit the zoo, aquarium, or farm. Summer is the perfect time to visit the zoo, aquarium, or farm and learn new facts about your favorite animals. Start a volunteer project. Summer vacation is a great time to help others, while also a good way to learn how to get involved in the community. Decide your own strategy for helping someone in need. Remember to ask for assistance from parents. Play a board game or solve a puzzle. There are many kinds of board game, such as Twister, Monopoly, Clue, or Scrabble. If you are tired of the board games you already have, or want a new puzzle, just try to create by your own. It should be so much fun. Create some crafts. Let's create your unique art with simple materials like paper, paints, colorful tapes. Try something like melted crayon art, making a beautiful box, or creating a friendship bracelet. Practice baking and cooking with parents. Pick up recipes that you like and try to cook with your parents. You can start with some simple recipes like pudding and jelly, or even try to bake some cookies and cakes. Do you want to try all the activities as mentioned?
Thank you for
After
watching.
enjoying all the activities, try to keep a holiday journal. Journals are a great way for you to work on your writing skills, while also keeping track of all of the places you have visited and things that you have done. You can attach pictures, draw illustrations, and reflect on all of the fun experiences you have had over the holiday. Enjoy the holiday.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.